Hello children, I Kavita Shukla, class teacher of UKG. Today I am going to teach you mathematics, and in mathematics I will tell you the numbers which come before, after and in between. Are you ready children? Okay, let's start. Children, in page number 20, we will study about the numbers which comes before and the number which comes after and the number which comes in between. First, we will learn about the number which comes just before each of these numbers. Children, do you know what is the meaning of before? Before means pehle. Before 39, which number will come? 38. Good. The number which comes first is before number. What is this? Which number is this? This number is 2626. And what comes before 26? Yes, good. 25 comes before 26. We will write here 25. And before 19, which number will come? Yes, before 19, number 18 will come. Like this, before 49, what comes before 49? 48. 48 will come before 49. What comes before 10? 9 comes before 10. And what comes before 20? 1, 9, 19 comes before 20. Now you will do. What comes before 9? 8. 8 will come before 9. Before 38, 37. And before 71, 70. Now you will fill this. And now, which number comes just after each of these numbers? After means बाद में. After 20, 21 will come. After 48, 49 will come. And after 52, 53. Now you will complete this. After 61, 62. After 9, 10. After 78, 79. After 7, 8. After 63, 64. After 16, 17. Now you will fill it. Before number, after number, now in between number. In between means बीच में. 44, 46. Which number will come in between? 44, 45, 46. Now 45 will come in between. 47 and 49. Both numbers are given here. In between 47, 48, 49. We will write here 48. 1 after 1. Good. 2 and 3. In the middle of 1 and 3, 2 will come. 85 and 87. Which number will come in between? 86. 29 and 31. Which number will come in between? 30. 72 and 74. Here 73, 72, 73, 74. 97, 98, 99. 14, 15, then 16. And 67 and 69 is here. Which number will come in between? It will 68. Now you will complete this work, this full work. Before number, after number and in between number. You will complete this page very nicely. Okay children? But you will write here date also. When you will do this work, you will write here date. Then you will start this work. Understood? Good. Children, as you have learned previously, table of 2 and 3. Today we will write table of 4. And first we will write here date. Then after we will skip 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes here and we will write heading T-A-B-L-E table O-F of 4. And here we will write C dot W dot. We will skip these boxes and we will start writing from here. 4 ones are 4. And listen children, we will skip this box here. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. And now we will use this box also. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 4 8s are 32. Four 9s are 36. And 4 10s are 40. Children, like this you will do your work table of 4.